product is stapled along the first rafter. It is then rolled out and stapled halfway along. Pull taut and staple at the end rafter. Then staple at each rafter in between at 100mm centres. Ensure Boost'R Hybrid Roof overlaps the eaves support system. Seal using a built-in self-adhesive lap to help prevent air infiltration and ensure water runoff. Fix 25mm counter battens in line with the rafter before the tile battens.